Alright, welcome back. This is another video. I got a Scion TC right here. And basically what this video is going to be about is what happens after you get involved in an accident. Your car's smashed, you basically get either towed or it's drivable, so you drive it to your nearest auto body shop or mechanic. Some mechanics do this too. And then they turn around and they say to you, oh, your car's destroyed. It's totaled. I'll give you $200 for your car. How's that sound? And then you turn around and tell them, go basically F yourself. Because that's what happened to this girl here. I mean, it was all superficial damage. Basically what happened was she was driving, not texting from what I was told. She got cut off by a RAV4. They stepped on the brakes. They collided just off-center right here. The RAV4 is high enough, it didn't touch this main support for the bumper. So you just basically have a bumper shell that's behind me there. New hood, 2 new headlights. That's it. Basically what they do is this main support up on top here, they push it out. That's about it. The 2 front fenders weren't even touched. Why is it all buffed out like this? Because she's having me go a little crazy. I gotta paint the whole car. So basically all that's done is this gets pushed out. A couple of things are checked. 2 new headlights, $150 on eBay. Hood, $100 on eBay. And then the bumper shell, it's right around $70 on eBay. Okay, it's not OEM stuff, but it's not a new car. Why are you gonna spend a ton of money? Plus she's in college, she's trying to, you know, not go too crazy. So let me get you in a little closer. You can see kind of what I'm talking about here. So the bumper, the main bumper support wasn't touched. Basically the impact was up in this area. This was all pushed in. It's all been pulled out. The radiator was pushed in. It didn't actually contact the alternator, so that was fine. All this here was okay. I had to pull this out and bend a couple things back out. I mean, it's not the prettiest job, but you're not going to see it once everything goes into place. Now, this video is it's not about how to fix the car. It's not anything about that. What it has to do with is you get into an accident, you're not going to take the first opinion. You're going to, if you have to, and it sounds weird, if they're approaching you and saying the car is destroyed, it's not worth fixing, it's up to you to stop and think, well, I'm not going to take your opinion, I'm going to get somebody else's opinion. Or I have a friend who kind of knows about this stuff, let me run it by him. Bring the car home. Let it, you know, let it stew a little bit. Think about it, because if you have a car like this, you don't have a loan on it, it doesn't owe you anything, it runs fine, never had a problem, no transmission problems, you just put new tires on it, new brakes on it. Why are you going to get rid of it? The car is only worth to the person who owns it or who needs it, right? So if you know the history of it and it's running fine, why get rid of it? Why have a $400 a month payment? Why get a down payment or buy a used car you know nothing about? So to basically put a couple of $1,000 into the car, or even like this, $300 for parts, and then another $700 for paint, it's totally worth it, because you don't have to worry about buying a used car you know nothing about and possibly having transmission or engine or other problems with the car. She has no problems with the car. She just put a new set of brake pads on it, new rotors. She just had a full, you know, maintenance done on it. She told me she had new spark plugs and oil change and all this stuff. New radio put in it. So why get rid of it? So basically, I don't want to make this video super long. It's just, it pisses me off when I see people take their vehicles to auto body shops or mechanics and they're trying to get snookered out of their their car or whatever else they own, truck, car, trailer, whatever. Just be smart about it. Don't take their word about it. ask around, bring it to another place, bring it to 2 places, 3 places, until maybe they all say the same thing. You know what? It's just not worth it. The time is up. It's not worth putting the money in. But again, like I said before, it's only worth to the person who has it. So if it's worth it for you, do it. But if the person's like, if you have 2 or 3 people say, hey, listen, this engine's pretty much done, it's eating oil or this or that, then maybe look for something else. So, that's about it for this video. I just wanted to make a quick video to let everybody know, what I constantly see. And it's not just women. It's guys also that just don't know what's going on with automotive vehicles or trailers or trucks or motorcycles. You got to be smart about it. Don't take just one person's word for it. Go to a couple of people or ask a friend. So if anything, I'm going to try to put up some pictures of the actual damage of when it happened, and I'll be taking pictures and a quick little walk around probably of after the car is actually put together, painted, and finished. Because then you can see, hey, look, you know what? This is what it looked like when it got crashed, and the person's like, okay, I'll give you $300 because the car's not worth anything. Just get rid of it for parts. And what it looks like after putting in $300 in parts and $500-600 in paint. So this way you could see what he would have done. And that's what he would have done. Hey, I'll give you $300, new hood, new lights, new bumper, little bit of paint, boom, out the door, 10 grand, 9-10 grand, right? So he would have made the money. Now I'm making the money because I'm the one doing the job, and then she's going to be happy because she doesn't have a giant payment per month or, have to go out searching for a new car. So we all make out in the deal. So just try to find a decent, reliable person that's honest. Don't just go to a fly-by-night person. Try to ask around, get references, because you think you might be, making out on the deal. Oh, $500-600 or $1,000 real quick. Oh, that headache's behind me. Yeah, but you just sold off something that's costing, is worth way more than what you just got, and he's going to make the money off of you. So, guys, just be smart. Get a couple of opinions on it, and go from there. I'm done with this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this one, and subscribe.